Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I want to show you how we can change right now your company page, the company name in Indeed. So they're saying you that you should go to the right top corner to your profile and you should find it here. You are not going to change it like that. Like it's not possible. So even when you would, like, I tried to click here on a company, I can't change it. So the only way how we can do it is go to Help Center, then click on Contact Us right here, send a message, and then you're gonna see subject here. Change company name, and you just write here, I would like to change company name from to because there is no other way how to do it. Regards, Marcus Stone. And you just need to send it. And this is the only way how we can do it. There is, like, I was trying to find other way, but like you can do it. But this is pretty much how we do it. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.